Today we will start chapter number 2, relations and functions. First we will discuss relations with a beautiful statement. A mathematician is a machine for turning coffee into theorems according to Paul Erots. Before relation we have to know about Cartesian product of two sets. According to Cartesian product of two sets, if A equal to phi, B equal to phi, then we define Cartesian product A cross B of set A and B as A cross B equal to phi. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then we define Cartesian product A cross B of set A and B as A cross B equal to A comma B, such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B, where small a is the element of set A, that should be belongs to set A, and small b is the element of set B, so we can write here B belongs to B. The element A comma B is order pair. Now according to the definition of order pair, when we write two entries in a specific order, then this type of pair is called order pair. For example, we have two sets G and H. The element of set G are 7, 8 and element of H are 5, 4, 2. Find G cross H and H cross G. Are these two products equal? So we can find G cross H. First write the element of set G cross multiplication with set H. So we can write here 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Now you can see here the cross multiplication or cross product of two sets G and H. We have in the form of 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Similarly, we can find the cross product of H cross G. We have 7, 5, 7, 5, 8 and so on. It is given that are these two products equal? So we can say no, G cross H not equal to H cross G. Now we will discuss the definition of relation. Relation from a set A to set B. Let A and B be any two sets, non-empty sets. Then a set R is said to be a relation from set A to set B if R is a subset of A cross B, that is R subset of Cartesian product of A and B. Consider two sets A whose elements is 2, 3 and set B with element 6, 9, 12. The Cartesian product we can find in the form of 2, 6, 2, 9, 2, 12, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. Then Cartesian product should be the subset of R. So we can represent the given Cartesian product in the set builder form. R equal to x, y, such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B and y equal to 3x. If I will put here x equal to 2, then y equal to 6. Now you can write here if x equal to 2, y equal to 6 and x equal to 3, y equal to 9. We can find the set builder form of Cartesian product. This representation is called set builder form of a relation. Also we can write R equal to 2, 6, 3, 9. This representation is called roster form of the relation R. Relation R can be shown with the help of the following visual representation. Now you can see 2 belongs to 6, 3 belongs to 9. So we can represent relation with arrow diagram. This is called arrow diagram of relation R. Now we will discuss domain, codomain and range of a relation. Let R be a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. Then the set of all first element of the order pair is in the relation R is called domain. The set of all second element of the order pair in the relation R is called range. The set B is called codomain of relation R. So we can represent with the help of example. Let R be a relation in the form of x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B and y equal to 3x. We can represent in roster form where the first element of the relation is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is called domain. Second element is 6 comma 9. So we can write here range 6, element of range is 6 comma 9, and the set B means the all element of set B is called codomain. More example we have. Let A equal to the element of set 1 2 3 4 5 6. Define a relation R from A to A. Here two elements are means two sets are A, and second element in the place of B is same as A. R equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1. Write in roster form. Depict the relation using an arrow diagram. Write domain, codomain and range. First of all, we have a set A equal to whose elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Relation is given in the form of set builder, so we can make in roster form. Put here x equal to 1 to find the value of y. X equal to 1, y equal to 2 we can write here. Similarly, we can represent all the values in roster form. So we can make set A. In the place of set B we have same element, same set A. So we can write here. First we have 1 comma 2, so we can make diagram, arrow diagram as 1 to 2. 2 belongs to 3, 3 belongs to 4 as shown. Now see the element of set A. We have 1 to 6, but 6 element does not have image in the set A. So we will not count here element 6. Only 1 2 3 4 5 elements are the element of domain. So you can see here domain of R is 1 2 3 4 5. Codomain all the element of set B. We can write here 1 to 6. Now you can see 1 to 6. Now the element in set B which have the pre-image in set A. So we can say here 2 3 4 5 6 elements has pre-image in set A. So we can write here range of R is 2 3 4 5 6. This is an example to understand the definition of relation and to find the domain, codomain and range. More example we will discuss.